Hi guys, it's Cassie with Harlows Earth, and today we're going to be doing a continuation video on Molluscum Contagiosum. So likely if you're watching this, you have it, or your little one does, and you know how annoying it already is, and you just want to make it better. So what I have found that works best is simple apple cider vinegar. Now, 2 of my kids have had it in the past, and the first one I used both apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil with coconut oil. So years later, when my 3rd baby got it, we used just apple cider vinegar because the point was trying to dry them out, because we really noticed that once they're dry, then they start healing really quickly. So trying to dry them out is the best. So we're gonna use apple cider vinegar and water, super simple. So I just make myself a little jar like that. And we wanna dilute it because this stuff, like directly on your skin, I mean, it's vinegar. It feels kind of stingy. So if you're putting this on your little one, I'd recommend, going up to maybe a quarter of the way of apple cider vinegar. And then the rest just filling it up with some straight up water. It will be kind of a lovely little color. And then, if you're keeping it in here, you will notice that it starts to get a little bit cloudy as the mother's growing, because if you have some apple cider vinegar, you'll see that the mother's in here, and it grows. It's like a SCOBY. It's amazing. So what I say to this is, after you've shaken it up, take a nice cotton ball and try dipping it first on yourself. So find a nice sensitive area like your wrist, test it out. Does it feel stingy? Does it burn? Because your child's skin is more sensitive than yours. So some people will put a Band-Aid on it to try to prevent further spreading. Maybe they have it on their arm or something like that, but just be careful because Band-Aids can make the skin more sensitive if you're constantly peeling it off, on and off, on and off. So if possible, just refrain from it and just try to let them dry out all on their own. So you want to put some apple cider vinegar on a few times a day. If you can remember, do it 3 times a day, or at least in the morning and at night, and you will see them start to dry out, and that's what you're looking for. The body's starting to respond, it's starting to dry them out, and then they quickly go away after that. So good luck. I hope this works for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any other great suggestions that have worked well for you dealing with molluscum or your little one. We're a community here, so we can all learn from one another. We'll see you next time.